What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today we got a case from Poetic. We actually got the Spartan for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra from Poetic. So shout out to them for sending this over for a nice little review. So we just gonna get straight into it. So this Spartan case comes in a black colorway, but is a couple pieces to the case, very protective case. They actually give you two choices. They have one cover that's actually without a screen protector, and another cover that has a built-in screen protector, guys. So just a very rugged and protective case for your device. As you can see, nice look, black with the matte and the gloss, Poetic branding on the back, and a kickstand on the back, guys. So very nice case here. And you got the options of a screen protector or no screen protector. Me, myself, I choose to roll without the screen protector. A lot of times these screen protectors built in with cases, they're a little bit awkward on the screen. So I really don't utilize screen protector. As you can see at the top, we got a hole for the mic, and we got a nice volume up and down with the symbols on there. And we got a cover for our Type-C at the bottom, guys. Nice grips on the side. Grip is a big part of drop protection. So just a very rugged constructed case with some feet on the corners that'll protect you in case you drop your device and the hit the edge is not going to be a lot of impact. As you can see, it's a two-part case, and you just take the front frame out of the rear frame like so. And as you can see on the inside of the main part of the case, it's very protective. You got like two different type of materials. You got some TPU, you got some polycarbonate, and you got the kickstand in case you want to watch some BG Tech Life. So let's go ahead and get this phone in the case. As you can see, you just put it in the front facing frame, and then you're going to put the frame back into the rear case. Make sure all the edges is lined up. And now we got a fully protected S22 Ultra. As you can see, Poetic branding, nice different materials and nice different textures on the back of the case. You see the camera is really recessed. You got some good camera protection. Like I said, good protective case, guys. Big cutout for your mic. If you want a case that offers a lot of protection and just some bulk, it's not bulky as an auto box or anything like that, but it does add a little size to the phone. But again, if you work construction or you work a tough job, or you're going to be putting your phone in some circumstances you need protection, check out Poetic, guys. I'm going to put a link down in the description. If you not, go ahead, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, BG_Tech Life. Thanks for checking me out. This is the Poetic Spartan. I'm out. Peace.